Now that we have created the database, we need to create the 4 tables in the database. We'll start with the stars table. To create a table in Design View, you go to the Create ribbon, and on the Create ribbon you select the Table Design icon, and once you do this you can type in the fields in the table. The first field in our table, or our stars table, is the star ID, so I will enter in the field name, then tab over to the data type. This field uses an auto number data type, which means that Access automatically assigns the values to the fields as records are added to the table. And then I'll add the next field, which is the first name field. So I'll type in the field name and tab over to data type, and the data type is text, which is what is shown as the default. And so I'll add in the next field, which is the last name, and it too is a text field. Finally, I'll add the last field in the table, which is year born, and that is a number field. And so I'll select number in the data type box. And remember, you can always select the data type by clicking the down arrow and then selecting the appropriate data type. The year born is a long integer field, which happens to be the default number value. So I've defined my 4 fields in the table, and now I just have to set the primary key, which is the star ID. And so I position the mouse beside the star ID field as shown, and I click the mouse button once, and then on the design ribbon I click primary key, which sets the star ID field as the primary key. Now I can save my table, so I'll just click the save icon on my quick access ribbon, or quick access toolbar, and then I will give this table a name, tblStars, and click OK. So at this point I have created the stars table in the database, and I can close the design view. And so we have that table.